A current source says that all 4 of the next iPhone 15 models will get a significant increase in battery size, which may provide the lineup of devices a significant battery-like boost. The information on the precise battery sizes for all 4 new models is included in a story that was provided by a Foxconn employee, who spoke with a Chinese magazine at home. With an almost 18% bigger battery, it seems that the standard iPhone 15 model will get the greatest improvement, while the Pro Max will experience a battery increase of just 12%. This upgrade, if it is accurate, may be the single most significant improvement for the new iPhone 15 family. It follows a significant improvement in the 17 chips power efficiency. We are concerned since Apple is rumored to use the same chassis for the iPhone 15 series, so we are unsure of how the business might accommodate such larger batteries, but it is feasible. Let us also take this opportunity to remind you that the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the 13 Pro Max have been the undisputed battery champs among flagships in recent years, and receiving such a battery boost paired with a much more efficient chipset would give them an even greater advantage over the competition. With this upgrade, you may get well into 7 hours of screen time or more on the iPhone 15, which might be far longer than the 6 hours that the iPhone 14 model, which is presently for sale, often offers. Regarding the 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max models, they are also receiving a much-needed boost. Even today, the majority of consumers use these bigger phones for 2 days on average before needing to recharge them. With this improvement, you could now use the phones for 3 days without a charge. The design of the phones is our main concern with this report, yet we can't say for sure since we are enthusiastic about the potential anyway. According to rumors, Apple may make a few small design changes, but the general sizes of the Vanilla and Pro models, 6.1 inches each, and the Plus and Pro Max models, 6.7 inches each, remain the same. The newest 17 Bionic 3M chip, which is rumored to increase power efficiency by 35%, will be used by Apple in the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.